Downloading data from Deezer can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. Here is a simple guide to help you through it. Step 1. Create or log into your Deezer account. Visit the Deezer website or open the app and either create a new account or log into your existing account using your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to your library. Once logged in, go to your library where you can find your playlists, albums, and favorite tracks. This is where you will select the content you want to download. Step 3. Select content for download. Choose the specific songs, albums, or playlists you wish to download. You can do this by clicking on the options available next to each item. Step 4. Choose the download option. Look for the download button or option, which is usually represented by a download arrow. Click on it to initiate the download process for the selected content. Step 5. Access downloaded content. After the download is complete, you can find your downloaded music in the app Find section or in the designated folder on your device, depending on your settings. By following these steps, you can easily download your favorite music from Deezer. Enjoy your listening experience.